Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the different volumes type available on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So you can see in here, if I go into my settings page, I got 4 different volume types. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then you can swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then go down and tap on sounds and vibration. In here, tap on volume, and you can see at the top, I've got the ringtone volume, I've got media volume, notifications, and system. So the ringtone volumes are volumes that is for your incoming call. So when someone calls you, I'm just going to turn that one off. Okay, so when someone calls you, you receive an incoming call. This is the ringtone volume for the incoming call. Then you got media volume that is used to control the volume for your music player, your videos. For example, if you're playing a YouTube videos, that can be considered as media volume. So you can adjust the volume for your media applications. So whenever you're playing a music app or a video app, that will be considered as a media volume. Then you got notification volume. Notifications volumes are volumes for application like text messages, messengers app, or perhaps an apps that's sending you notifications. Then you can adjust this one here. Now notifications volumes or the ringtone or the sound are typically very short, as you can see right here. And you can also adjust the volume for notifications. And the last volume type is the system volume. Now, system volumes are basically anything that you touches on your phone that respond. For example, if you making adjustment to this system volume bar, it kind of make a sound to give you feedback. Or if you open up an app like a phone app, and if you tap on the key, it makes that sound to give you that feedback. And you can also change the volume of that as well. So you can change the system volume. So at the moment, I put it down to quite low. And if I go back to the app right here, you can see if I tap it, the sound is quite soft now. You can also turn off the system volume completely by simply dragging the bar all the way to the left. Another quick way to adjust the volume is to use the volume key, and then from the volume bar right here, you tap on the option key, and then it will open up another window. And from the pop-up window, you can adjust the system volume, the phone call volume over here, the phone call volume, the notifications volume, and the media volume. And if you want, you can tap on the settings icon to quickly take you to your volume settings page. And that's it. Now, also down here, there is a use volume keys for media. So what this button does is if you turn it on, if you're using the volume key, that will allow you to adjust the media volume. You can see here the icon. The icon there is for media volume. And if I go back in here and turn it off, and if I now try to adjust the volume key, you can see now the icon is set to adjusting the volume for the call. So that is what that function does. Use volume keys for media, or if you turn it off, it will use for the ringtone or the phone incoming call volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.